Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, showing you today this lovely looking and approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport, here in a popular P300e dynamic HSE trim with the exterior finished in stunning Santorini black metallic paint. This plug-in hybrid variant gives you the best of both worlds and there's plenty to enjoy. Key equipment highlights will include the stylish matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights as well to keep you illuminated, and around side 20-inch style 5076 diamond turn alloy wheels will also stand out beautifully against the paint. In the rear, the story is no different, with signature shaped full LED taillights giving your Discovery Sport a distinctive look for nighttime drives. With prominent badging on the sides, there is even a panoramic fixed sunroof available, and for easy access, keyless entry and start is complemented by this power-operated liftgate, revealing an absolutely cavernous load area that offers 40-20-40 folding split seats as well to create even more space if it was ever needed. But the real treat, however, is inside the cab with this part ebony and light oyster two-tone leather upholstery with seating for 3 in the back, and also their own air vents and USB chargers all underneath the guise of this lovely sunroof. Whilst in the front there are decorative door and dash inserts, and the stylish premium look continues with upgraded front sport seats that will really hug you in and offer full electric adjustment for the front seats. The driver can look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which is also heated and offers paddle shifts for dynamic drives, and fully operating the interactive drive display IDD. There's head-up display also projected directly onto the windscreen, and the PV Pro connected touchscreen is an absolute joy to use with twin menu setups. Plenty to enjoy here with the likes of 2-zone climate control, along with selectable all-wheel drive modes giving you grip all year round. If that wasn't enough, built-in sat-nav is also available to make sure you never get lost, along with FM and DAB digital radio receptions to find your favorite stations when on the move. Additionally, there's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection available, and whatever the weather, there are both heated and ventilated front seats available with 3-stage settings. Additionally, there's plenty more to enjoy with the vehicle, with a host of active safety systems to scan the road ahead, while helping you park is also a rear view camera that even offers wide-angle lens and is fully supported by front and rear sensors. Down below you can also find a wireless induction charger, as well as electric sunshade blind to retract and reveal that stunning panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.